Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the queen bee pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the eye with a circle here. Now leave a space on the left and draw a curved line down. Then a curve out to the left to close off the other eye. And then color both eyes in black. Let's draw the antenna now. Above the right eye, draw a small curve across. Then from either side, draw long curved lines up and to the left. And then close off the end with a small oval. Do the same thing now for the other antenna to the left. Let's draw the shape of the head now. Draw a circle shape around and behind the antenna like this. Let's draw the wings now. Come over to the right here and draw a curved line starting at the same height as the top of the head. Next, starting on the left side, draw a large curve up and back down. Now from the top right, draw another curve over and down for the second wing. Let's draw the other set of wings behind now. Draw a curve here on the left of the wings. Then draw two more curves in the same way for the other wings. Let's draw the body now. Draw a curve between the wing and the head here like this for the top of the body. Now from the right side of the wings, draw a curve down and back over to the head. Next, draw two large curves inside the body for the stripes. Lastly, let's draw the feet. Draw two curves on the back right here like this. Then connect them at the bottom. For the next foot, draw a curve under the center of the body here. And then close it off at the bottom. Now draw one more foot under the head here like this. And that's it for the queen bee. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.